Welcome to Procarb Cutting Tools, where precision engineering meets innovation. Based in Chennai, India, Procarb is a technology-driven cutting tool company committed to delivering high-performance tooling solutions that meet global machining standards. We proudly serve a wide range of industries including automotive, aerospace, electronics, and 3C, medical, power generation, oil and gas, die and mold, railway, and defense. Each industry demands accuracy, consistency, and reliability, and Procarb tools are engineered to deliver peak performance in even the most demanding machining environments. Our specialization lies in providing complete metal cutting solutions across all major operations, from ProTurn for internal and external turning, ProMill for high-efficiency milling, ProDrill for indexable and modular drilling, ProSolid for solid carbide end mills, ProGroove for grooving solutions, ProThread for precise threading, to ProGrip tool holders for superior clamping stability. Every product is built for precision, durability, and performance. At Procarb, we don't just supply tools, we deliver smarter solutions engineered for productivity, cost efficiency, and proven results. With a strong focus on quality, innovation, and customer-centric support, we help industries machine with confidence and compete with excellence. Procarb Cutting Tools, sharper tools, smarter solutions engineered for peak performance.